Good day. This is Bright Kumalo again. We'll see how we transfer money from your investment wallet, which is the I wallet, where I have 693 there. This money is coming from the return on investment, which is 2.5% every day. That's 63 cents on the $25 that I invested. And then we've got money from C wallet. The C wallet is the money which we are making from matching bonus and direct bonus. Direct bonus is the money that you get when someone invests their money, where you get 10% of 5%, of what they've invested. And then matching bonus is the 10% which you get when your left and right have matched. So now we'll see how we transfer that to the V wallet. This is the V wallet. From the V wallet, you can transfer it to others who are also on the system. So now what we're going to do, we're going to transfer to PL82. So we copy that one. We go to investment and then we say transfer. Now when you say transfer, it will show us the money that we have. Now it's saying from V wallet to V wallet. We don't want that. We want to transfer from, so let's say add funds to V wallet. Right. So we've got $48 in the C wallet. I want to add all of it. $48.20 is going to V wallet. We need a transaction password. Now I don't remember my transaction password, so I'm gonna look for my first email that I got. Vortex. So from the first email that I got, I'll be able to see my password. But I don't want to show you my password, so I'm going to... We all got an email like this, which was the first email. The first email shows your username, your password, but I have to hide that a little bit, because once you have that information, then you'll be able to take my money, which I don't want. So now we go back and we make a transfer. So I put the password there, and then I say transfer funds. Alright, the system is busy thinking. I want to transfer this one also, the 693. I put the transaction password and transfer funds. Okay, so it needs a full value, which is fine. So transfer funds. I'm new to this system also. It's giving me a warning again. Let's see, transfer funds from this side. It's also got a warning. I don't know what that means. Fund transfer. Okay, it's transferring, so you need to just write the full value. So the funds were transferred successfully, and this is my balance. Now I want to do the same again this side, and I transfer $6 and then say fund transfer. Okay, I didn't put the password. I'll put the password again. Funds transfer. Yes, we see now funds are being transferred. So funds transferred successfully. I'm left with 93 cents on this one and 20 cents on this one. Let's go back to dashboard and have a look. Okay, now I've got $54 in my V wallet. If someone wants to join, they can give me the 500 Rand and then I give them the money on the V wallet. So in this case, this one gave me $25, and then I'm gonna transfer the money to her. So I come here, click investment, and then click transfer. Now we're transferring from V-Wallet to V-Wallet. Okay, I've got $54 there. I put the ID of the person that I'm sending money to. Okay, and then I put the amount is $25. I need a transaction password, and I'm gonna pause again. Alright, I've gone again to my email where I've got my password on, the password for transferring money. I come here, I paste, and the money will be going to PL82. So funds transfer. Right, the funds have been transferred successfully. I'm left with $29. If someone wants $29, I can transfer it to them. So I'm gonna pause it. Now let's have a look here. It shows that on the 17th of January, she received an amount of $25. V received from Bright 8009, which is me there. So the money is sitting on the V wallet. Now we need to invest it. So let's go to investment. I'm doing this for the first time, so you bear with me if I make a mistake. We can quickly go back. Okay, where are you investing the money from? Remember, if you are investing, you can invest from Bitcoin or from Bitcoin address, from Perfect Money, Pay, Advance Cash. So today is coming from V Wallet, and then we're investing $25. And then we need to put a transaction password again, head transaction password, and I don't have it, but basically that's what you do, and then you say pay with the V wallet, and it's done. Okay, so I'm gonna ask her to do this on her side, and then we'll be done. Thank you very much. This is how you transfer money from V wallet to V wallet. Enjoy your day, guys. Bright Kumalo again. We are going to make videos together. Mark my words. This is the 16th of January 2018. Let's see what happens until we get to June, until we get to December. We're going to produce millionaires here. Have a great day.